Hey guys, welcome back to another freaking video. Today we're gonna unlock another 5 packets. Part 6. Really cool. All of the other cards that were left over here on this side, they actually I put in my book after the episode. So yeah, let's unbox these 5 more cards. First card. Please give me a United player or something. Because I really want United. Oh, in the last episode I got Fred, which is damn cool. And then, oh, G. Microsoft. And then there's an Arsenal player and a Spurs player. And the both are, let's see this. Okay, Ben Gibson, this is good. Spurs, we have Walker Peters, and there's a cookie. Leno! This guy's cool. And then Noble. Then we have Van La Para. Then we have this guy, G. Michael. I'll see you all next episode. Peace out.